Hi, friends. Um, we are trying to deal with this problem which is on your screen, which is about a square ABCD. The diagonals AC and DB intersect at point O. And you have a point P which lies on the side BC of the square, such that OB and BP are congruent. The question in front of you is threefold. One is find the measure of angle POC, right? Then you have to express BDC in terms of measure of angle POC. And finally, you need to express measure of angle BPO in terms of measure of angle POC. Okay, let's get started. It is very important for you to recognize that if it's a square, then the following property comes into the picture. That is, diagonals of a square, they bisect the opposite angles, which means if each of the angles A, B, C and D are 90 degrees, it being a square, each of them get bisected into two parts which are 45 degrees each. And if that is the case, angle B gets bisected by the diagonal DB into two equal parts, and this part therefore becomes a 45 degree angle, right? Now if that is a 45 degree angle, and if I stay on the triangle OPB, I realize that triangle OPB is an isosceles triangle. Angle OBP, which is this angle, is the vertex angle of the isosceles triangle. And if that is the vertex angle of the isosceles triangle, angle OPB, measure of angle OPB equals 180 minus 45 degrees divided by 2, which is 67.5 degrees, right? Now this is interesting. The reason why we found OPB is because the angle OPB is the external angle for triangle POC, right? And if I were to apply the external angle theorem, what would I get? I would get angle OPB, which is this angle. This angle is the sum of the two remote interior angles, which is angle POC and the angle OCP, which is this angle, right? Now OCP is a 45 degree angle. This is a 45 degree angle, right? Isn't it? And therefore, if I were to write the relationship using the external angle theorem, what would I get? I would get, let me create some space here. I would get measure of angle OPB equals measure of angle POC plus measure of angle OCP. If I were to plug in the values, this is 67.5 degrees, this is unknown, and this is 45 degrees, isn't it? And therefore I would get measure of angle POC equals 22.5 degrees. So we found this as 22.5 degrees. Let's now proceed to find the measure of angle BDC. BDC is a 45 degree angle because, as we said earlier, each of the angles of a square get bisected by the diagonals, and therefore BDC becomes 45 degrees. And if I want to express that in terms of POC, measure of angle POC, what do I get? Measure of angle BDC is 45 degrees. What is the relationship between 45 degrees and 22.5? 45 is twice of 22.5, and therefore measure of angle BDC becomes 2 times measure of angle POC. Yes? So we are done with that. We found this. Finally, express BPO, measure of angle BPO, express that in terms of measure of angle POC. We found measure of angle BPO, which we wrote as measure of angle OPB, isn't it? They are the same, right? And we found this to be how much? 67.5. What is the numerical relationship between 67.5 and the value of angle POC, which is 22.5? What is the numerical relationship? 67.5 is 3 times 22.5. And therefore, we can safely say measure of angle BPO equals 3 times measure of angle POC. I hope the entire approach was very clear. Write to me if you have any questions, any doubts. Thank you.